Hi, and welcome to Virtual Application Reporting in Configuration Manager 2007. My name is Ment van der Plas, and in this video demonstration I'm going to show you the extensiveness of reporting when it comes to virtual applications in Configuration Manager 2007 R2. For this reason I have set up a lab environment consisting of a Configuration Manager 2007 server where reporting is provided based on SQL reporting services. SQL Reporting Services in Configuration Manager 2007 R2 enables administrators to use the advanced reporting features of Microsoft SQL Reporting Services. This includes higher performance, availability and scalability over existing reporting in Configuration Manager 2007 and exporting reports in a variety of popular formats. Besides offering customized reports, Configuration Manager 2007 also has a high variety of standard reports available in the Configuration Manager console. Default reports are structured in separate subfolders in the console, but the category I want to discuss today are the reports that are available for virtual applications. When it comes to reporting, there are basically two different types of reports. Reports of virtual applications and reports of virtual application packages. Let me first start by explaining the differences. A virtual application package is a set of applications that are sequenced together within a single virtual environment or a single virtual application package. So, for instance, Microsoft Office. So if Microsoft Office is a virtual application package, then Microsoft Word and Excel would be separate virtual applications within that package. Configuration Manager can report both on virtual application packages as well as virtual applications. Let's start with the first report I want to show you, which is the count of all instances of virtual application packages. You right-click and select Run. You fill in a collection ID, currently going to use all systems here. And if you select View Report and you fill in your credentials, it will give you a count of all the virtual application packages which are currently in my environment. And when I select Adobe Reader here, I can see exactly on which PC Adobe Reader is currently installed or loaded and how much the cached percentage is. Now this information is particularly useful in licensing discussions with your vendors, but also is very useful in troubleshooting scenarios to identify why users cannot start, for instance, an application. This could be that the application is not currently in the cache of that particular user. This report specifically is one of the benefits of using Configuration Manager 2007 reporting over the traditional AppV full infrastructure scenario where reporting on machine-based level is not available. So the next report that I want to show you is the count of all instances of virtual applications. Running this report is very similar to the previous report. You provide your credentials, and Configuration Manager now shows you the applications instead of the application packages. So in this report we see clearly that there's a difference between an application virtualization package and a virtual application. So in this example, Microsoft Office 2003 is an application virtualization package, and Microsoft Office Excel, PowerPoint and Word are virtual applications. And when I select Microsoft Office Excel, we can see that Microsoft Office Excel has been launched on PC2 and it hasn't been launched on PC1. So this doesn't tell us that the application package is not available on PC1, because that's what the previous report I showed you was for. But it only shows that the application hasn't been launched by that particular user. The next report I want to show you is a very powerful one. It's the Virtual Application Launch Failures over a number of days report. This report will give you an overview of the virtual applications in your environment and show the errors they created in the last, for example, 30 days. So if you see the report, you will see that there are two applications that actually provided errors, Adobe Reader and OpenXML Converter. Adobe Reader had only one error count and OpenXML had two. When you select these two, you see that they both occurred on Win7 PC2. And when you zoom in, you get the exact error message that was provided to the user and also the error code. Now, if you don't want the error messages of the entire environment, you can also select the virtual application launch failures for a specific computer. And instead of reporting of all the applications, it now only specifies the error messages that are from a specific computer. So you can even tie it down to a specific application name and or version, but in this case I'm going to leave that blank, so all the application errors on this particular computer are displayed. And you can see that the results are exactly the same in the last one, because Win7PC2 was the only one that reported OpenXML errors. One of the benefits of having SQL reporting services over the traditional Configuration Manager reports is that you have now a feature available which is called the subscriptions. With the use of subscription, an IT administrator now no longer has to go into the Configuration Manager console and generate his reports manually. A report can be automatically delivered by Configuration Manager into a Windows file share or his email box regarding a specific report that he wants to create. The subscription can be fully customized by providing a reoccurrence schedule, a path, and for instance, an output format, which can include PDF and other well-known formats as well. Alternative output formats are not only available in subscription, they're available in reports as well. So if I go back into the reporting interface of Configuration Manager console and create a report, I can go to the export section and I can select a customizable output format. So for instance, I'm going to use Acrobat PDF file here. And I can save the file to any location I like. For instance, my desktop. So this concludes my video demonstration of virtual application reporting in Configuration Manager 2007. I hope this has been informative for you. Please be sure to check out my other videos and blog posts as well. And I want to thank you for viewing.